You've heard the old advice, skip the latte, clip coupons, and one day you'll be rich. But does that really work? Meanwhile, someone else's net worth just jumped 6 figures and they're not stressing about coffee. The difference isn't luck, it's a system. The wealthy don't pinch pennies, they command their capital. Every dollar has a mission before it even hits their bank account. That system is called zero-based budgeting. It's not about restriction, it's about intention. It's not about saying no to everything, but about having the power to say yes to the right things. Today, you'll learn exactly how to implement this system to replace financial anxiety with financial control. Stay to the end to make sure you get all the secrets. Are you ready to get in the driver's seat of your financial life? Let's roll. The old rule is spend less than you earn and save what's left. But this is a passive, broken model that makes saving an afterthought. Life has a way of expanding to fill our income, and what's left is often close to zero. The wealthy flip the script. Their philosophy is spend what's left after saving. It's a profound shift in priority. First, they pay their future selves through investments, savings, and debt paydown. Only then do they spend the remainder. It's pay yourself first on steroids. This is the core of zero-based budgeting. The formula is simple. Income minus outgo equals zero. This means every dollar that comes in is given a specific job before the month begins. Stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a CEO of You Incorporated. Your income is revenue, and your expenses are departments. The money you direct toward wealth building gets reinvested into the only stock you can truly control, you. And you can't command your money if you don't know how much you have. The first step is to write down every single cent of your monthly income. If you're salaried, look at your net pay after taxes and deductions. That's your starting line. For many of us, income is more complex. You might have a side hustle, freelance income, or even cash back from credit cards. It all counts. If your income fluctuates, grab your bank statements from the last 3 months and calculate an average. Accuracy is key. You can't boss your money around if you don't know exactly what you're working with. This number is the foundation of your financial plan. Now that you know your income, it's time to tell that money where to go. You will list every single expense, savings deposit, and investment until your income minus your outgo equals zero. Think of it as a 4-tier mission. Tier 1, the 4 walls. These are your absolute survival needs. Housing, rent or mortgage. Utilities, power, water, internet. Transportation, car payment, gas, public transit, food, groceries only, not restaurants. Tier 2, securing your future. This is how you pay yourself first. Emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Debt repayment. Focus on high-interest debt first. Retirement investing. At least enough to get your employer match, then fund an IRA. Other investments, brokerage accounts, real estate, etc. Tier 3. Sinking funds. A sinking fund is a savings fund set aside over time to pay off a future expense or debt. It's for predictable, non-monthly expenses that can wreck a budget. Annual premiums, car insurance or subscriptions. Vacations. A $2,400 trip is a $200 per month mission. Gifts for holidays and birthdays. Repairs for your car or home. Tier 4. Guilt-free spending. This is planned fun, not leftover money. Restaurants, bars, and entertainment. Hobbies and shopping for wants. When you subtract all 4 tiers from your income, the bottom line must be zero. If there's a surplus, give it a job, send it to investments or debt. You're telling your money where to go before it gets a chance to tell you where it went. Willpower gets tired. A system never does. Automation is the key to modern wealth building because it makes your financial goals the path of least resistance. On payday, a pre-scheduled series of transfers should happen automatically. Your paycheck hits your checking account. Within hours, money is automatically sent to your high-yield savings, your brokerage account, and your IRA. Automatic bill pay handles your rent, car payment, and other fixed costs. What's left in your checking account is what you're allowed to spend on groceries, gas, and guilt-free fun. The saving is already done, which eliminates temptation and decision fatigue. Budgeting apps can make this even easier, but your bank's online portal is powerful enough to start. Your financial discipline is now systematic, not emotional. A budget is a GPS, not a stone tablet. If you take a wrong turn, you just recalibrate. This is the purpose of the monthly budget review, your 15-minute board meeting for you, Inc. Once a month, compare your plan to reality. Where did you overspend or underspend? This isn't about judgment, it's about gathering data. If you blew your restaurant budget, maybe next month you need to allocate more to dining out, but take that money from a less important category, like shopping. This is also how you respond to life's changes. Get a surprise bonus? Don't let it just get absorbed. Use a rule like 50-30-20, 50% to your biggest financial goal, 30% to a sinking fund, and 20% for guilt-free fun. This active management ensures your money plan mirrors your life and goals, not your fleeting moods. Stop and think. What's one thing you can automate this week? Then do it. Start with just one automatic transfer, and you're on your way. Now here's a curveball. Typical budgeters see a high price tag as a cost. The wealthy calculate its value, thinking in terms of cost per use. Here's how it works. A high-quality, $300 winter coat, worn 500 times over a decade, has a cost per wear of 60 cents. A trendy, $100 coat that needs replacing every 2 years could easily have a cost per wear close to double that. Wealthy people apply this logic everywhere. A reliable laptop that lasts for 5 years is cheaper than a slow one that needs replacing every 2. A quality mattress that improves your sleep has an astronomical ROI on your health and productivity. A great kitchen knife makes cooking at home more enjoyable, saving you money on takeout. This isn't an excuse for lavish spending, it's an intentional strategy. That $300 coat is a line item in your sinking funds. You save for it, knowing it delivers long-term value. You should manage your money yourself at the start. But as your net worth grows, so does complexity. Knowing when to call in an expert is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. Once you cross the six-figure net worth threshold or face a major life event, professional advice is invaluable. Look for a fee-only certified financial planner. They have a fiduciary duty to act in your best interest, unlike fee-based advisors who may earn commissions on products they sell you. The same logic applies to tools. Is a budgeting app with an annual fee worth it? If the tool keeps you on track and automates your system, its cost is often negligible compared to the return. DIY is how you start. Leveraging expertise is how you scale. Massive gains in wealth come from small, consistent habits. Here are a few to adopt. Check your net worth, not the news. Once a month, update your net worth. This is your true financial scoreboard. Focus on the one number that reflects your progress. Implement the 24-hour rule. For any non-essential purchase over a set amount, like $100, wait 24 hours. This single habit kills impulse buying by removing emotional urgency. Automate your raise. The next time you get a raise, increase your automatic 401k or savings contribution before the new paycheck hits. If you never see the extra money, you won't miss it. Create a digital burner card. Use a credit card with a very low limit for online subscriptions or unfamiliar sites. If it's ever compromised, the damage is contained. As you implement your zero-based budget, be aware of these common traps. Copying someone else's percentages. A generic 50-30-20 template may not work for your income or cost of living. Your budget must be tailored to your goals. The miscellaneous black hole. A vague miscellaneous category is where accountability goes to die. If you can't name an expense, you can't tame it. Dig into your transactions and give those costs a real category. Keep miscellaneous below 3% of your income and lower if you can. Forgetting irregular expenses. Holiday gifts, annual subscriptions, and car registration will sabotage your budget if they aren't planned for. Break them down into monthly savings goals in your sinking funds. The all-or-nothing mindset. You will overspend some months. It's guaranteed. Don't think, well, I blew the budget, I'll give up until next month. That's like getting a flat tire and slashing the other 3. Acknowledge it, adjust, and get back on track. Wealth isn't the result of the biggest paycheck. It's the result of the most intentional plan. The old way of guilt and saving what's left is a recipe for anxiety. The zero-based budget hands you control. Here is your plan for today. List your exact monthly income. Give every single one of those dollars a mission. Automate your savings and investments. Schedule a 15-minute budget review in your calendar 1 month from today. The rich aren't smarter, they are more systematic. Steal their system, watch your net worth climb, and feel the stress melt away as you finally take complete control. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you'd like more updates on topics to help you grow your wealth, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any videos and get notifications on time. Don't hesitate to give suggestions for our videos. See you at the next one.